Okay, so in this video we will find the equation of this series using the Fourier series expansion, and at the end of the video we will check our answer is right or wrong using this Python code. Okay, so let's start. Let's do this mathematically. So first of all we need to find a naught. So a naught is equal to 2 divided by t, then the value of this function, let's say f of t is the value of this signal, so f of t dt, and this integration will be 0 to 1 time period t. So 2 by t, then 0 to, we have 0 to t by 2, let's say this point is t by 2, and from 0 to t by 2 we have the function value 1, and from t by 2 to t we have a function value of -1, or signal value is -1. Okay, so this is a very easy integration, right? If I integrate the first term, I will have 2 by t into t by 2, and if I integrate the second term, I will have first of all minus, then we have to write here 2 by t, then again t by 2. Okay, so what is this? This is 1, then this is 1, so ultimately a naught is equal to 0. Okay, I understand a naught is equal to 0, and it's obvious that the average of the signal is 0, so a naught is equal to 0. Okay, now I have to find an. So an is equal to 2 by t from 0 to t first we have to write here function value, then cos n 2 pi by t into t dt. I think maybe an is also is equal to 0, but let's find. So first of all 2 by t, we have to first take 0 to t by 2, then t by 2 to t. Okay, so from 0 to t by 2 the signal's value, let's say, which is v, and this is also f of t, so f of t and v are same, let's say. So f of t is equal to 1 in this region, so 1 cos n 2 pi t t, then this is -1 cos n 2 pi by t t dt. I think this is also is equal to 0, so let's see how I understand that this is also equal to 0. Okay, let's find how it is actually equal to 0. So if I integrate 2 by t, so if I integrate cos, I will have sine n 2 pi by t, then n 2 pi by t 0 to t by 2. Okay, now I have to write here 2 by t. Oh, one thing you should have noticed, that 2 cancels out, then t cancels out, so I have 1 by n pi, and if I put t by 2 here, so I will have sine n 2 pi, oh, I have a t here, t by 2, then minus 0, so I will have 1 by n pi, 2 cancels out, t cancels out, so I have sine n pi minus 0. Oh, sine n pi is always 0, so this term is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see what happens to this term. Oh, I think this term is also is equal to 0, but let's see what happens. Minus, then if I integrate cos, I will have sine n 2 pi by t. Hey, where is 2 by t? I have to write here 2 by t, so 2 divided by t, 2 cancels out, then t cancels out, so I have 1 by n pi, and then if I integrate cos, I will have sine, so sine n 2 pi by t, then I have to put here limit t by 2 to t. Okay, so if I put t here, I will have sine n 2 pi by t, then minus sine n 2 pi by t, then t by 2. Okay, so let's see what happens here. T cancels out, so sine n into 2 pi, which is again equal to 0, then t cancels out, sine n pi, which is again 0. That means this term is 0 and this term is 0, so finally whole an is equal to 0. Okay, now let's find Vn. Now let's find Vn here. Vn is equal to 2 by t, 0 to t. Then we have to write here sine n 2 pi by t dt. So we have to do this calculation carefully because we will get a result from here. So from 0 to t by 2 we have the function's value 1. And from t by 2 to t I have the function value -1. So let's okay, -1. So let's -1 here. Okay, now I need to integrate this thing, so let's integrate the first term first. Okay, so 2 divided by t, if I integrate sine, I will have minus cos, right? So minus cos n 2 pi by t, and this is the limit from 0 to t by 2, and at the denominator I have to write n 2 pi divided by t. Then I have to put the values here. Let's put the value. Oh, where is t? So I have to put the values here. First of all, 2 cancels out, then t cancels out. I have 1 by n pi, then cos n 2 pi by capital T, t by 2, minus, if I put 0 here I will have 1. Okay, so 1 by n pi, t cancels out. Where is n? Oh yes, so cos n, 2 cancels out, n pi. Okay, oh, I have a minus here, so I have to write here minus. So 1 by n pi is equal to 1 minus cos n pi. Okay, so I have got the first term. Now I have to do calculation with the second term. So 2 divided by t, again if I integrate sine, I will have minus cos and 2 pi by t from t by 2 to t, and at the denominator I have to write n 2 pi by t. So 2 cancels out, t cancels out. Oh, minus and minus becomes plus, so 1 by n pi, then cos n 2 pi by t, put this t here, then again put this t by 2 here, so cos 2 pi by t into t by 2. Okay, so t cancels out, we have cos n into 2 pi, then t cancels out, 2 cancels out, we have cos, we have a n here. Okay, we have a n here, so cos n pi. Now cos n 2 pi is always is equal to 1 and minus cos n pi. Oh, so these two terms are equal, so these two terms become equal, so we can write 2 by n pi, then 1 minus cos n pi. Okay, so this is my value of Vn. So finally I get f of t is equal to what? So this is my f of t, right? Let's take this thing. Let's take this thing here. then write this equation here. Okay, so what I have obtained that a naught is equal to 0, a n is also equal to 0, but bn is equal to 2 divided by n pi, then 1 minus cos n pi. Okay, now let's see, n is an odd number, 1 3 5 7 dot 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 up to infinity obviously. Then Vn is equal to, if cos is equal to 1 pi, okay, let's see, if n is equal to odd number, then we can write cos n pi is equal to what, minus 1, and then Bn will be equal to 4 divided by n pi. And if n is equal to even number, then cos n pi will be is equal to 1, then this term will be equal to 0, so we have Vn is equal to 0. That means Vn is also Vn is non-zero when n is odd number. Okay, so finally I have obtained the equation. This term is equal to 0, this is also 0. I will have this term. So first of all, we have to write this from we have to take first n is equal to 1. So if I take n is equal to 1, I will have 4 divided by pi sine 2 pi by t into t. Then if I take n is equal to 3, I will have 4 by 3 pi sine 2 pi by t, 1 3 here, 3 into 2 pi by t, 2 pi by t into t, and this will goes on and goes on. Okay, now it's time to write those things in my Python code, and let's see what happens. So 4 divided by n pi. Okay, so what is inside my Python code? Let's see. So I want my t time period is 10, so t by 2 is obviously 5. Okay, now I have write here a naught by 2, and here instead of 2 I need to write 4. Okay, so I need to write 4 here, and let's see what happens. Okay, let me do another thing. Let's plt dot greet true. Okay, we are checking that our answer is right or wrong. So let's see. No, our answer is not correct. 1.5 to minus 0.5. Why? Oh, because a naught should be 0. Here a naught is 1, but our a naught should be 0. So if I run this code again, okay, now perfect. The function's value is first 1, then it becomes minus 1 when t is equal to 5, then t is equal to 10, it again goes to 1. That means the time period is 10. So we have obtained the equation of this square wave.